Today we're going to look at microphones. This is actually a Rode NT1 that I bought when I was working in retail in Australia in '93. So what are we talking, 25, 32 years ago? This has had a hard life. It fell off a stand once and my mum bumped it, and it's pretty rough. It works, and I've replaced the capacitors inside it and renewed the components over the years. It's actually a really good microphone. I really love the way these sound, especially as overheads, guitar amp, stuff like that. And I have two of them. This one claps out when you talk into it closely. So the active side is the red side, and I'm going to give you an example, and then I'm going to show you how to fix a microphone that does that really easily. It's a last-ditched effort to fix it, but you won't harm it if you're careful. You'll just clean it, and if it still needs repair, it still needs repair. But if it's just dirty, then I'll show you how easy it is to fix these. So I'm going to bring it close to my face, and you'll hear it get louder because I'm running it through speakers in here. 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. 1, 2. But if I go too close, you hear it cut out, and it will slowly come back on again. Let me show you from the better perspective, but here I have the microphone next to me. As I bring it close, talking, cuts out. So that's a very typical problem with the microphone, and I'll show you how easy it can be to fix it. So all I'm using here is some demineralised water. So it has no minerals. It's basically evaporated water. So boil water, and then they collect the steam and use that. So it's pure distilled water. And I'm just using two containers. So one container has my water in it, the other one has nothing. And then all I'm going to do, and actually because the grill is probably dirty as well, I'm not even going to bother taking the capsule out. I'm just going to actually hold it over here, over the empty tub, and all the electronics is inside here at the top. So I'm actually just going to pour the water from here onto the microphone grill. Some of it will actually be going through inside to clean the capsule. Just drip some of it off, and then we swap containers, and we do the same, and we keep going backwards and forth for 5 minutes or so. If you have a microphone that has a front and back capsule, this is just a single capsule here, it's just a cardioid mic. If you have a multi-pattern mic, then you do it on both sides of the microphone, so that you clean both sides. And we're just pouring this on, and we just continue for 5 minutes or so. Once you're finished with that, just drain off any excess water. You can use some paper towel to give it a dry, and then we'll stick it under a heat lamp or just a standard incandescent bulb overnight, dry it out, and we'll try it tomorrow. Pretty simple. Just got it underneath my lamp here. I'm just going to leave it overnight to dry off. If it's a multi-pattern mic, you could put it on the side a bit like that, just to get equal sort of warmth to both sides. So let's leave that overnight and try it again tomorrow. So it's about 12 hours later. We've left the microphone to dry. Let's check it out now. Testing, 1, 2, da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da. It's not bombing out at all. It's perfect. It's working. You can hear it through the sound system. There's no noise and rumble. It sounds really good, clear, and not clapping out. So there you go. You don't need to send it for reskinning. Give it a clean first. I wouldn't do this with a dynamic or a ribbon microphone, just condenser microphones. So again, some distilled water, demineralized water, and a clean, and take it from there.